Hi, I'm Nasrat, Global Artist for Almay, and I'm going to show you how to build your holiday look from day to night. You gotta blend, blend, and blend. I'm going to do a little concealing action. Concealing under my eye. You can't go into the holidays without a strong brow. So I always say, brush them up to get the shape, and then fill them in wherever is needed. And then, most important, set it with the brow styler. I'm gonna use the velvet foil for the back of my lids. It's like a gold shimmer. It's totally fine for the daytime, just to give it a little bit of a pop. Gel smooth liner. I'm gonna create a halfway defined liner look, perfect for the day. I'm gonna get a brush and blend. Don't forget to curl your lashes, it's very important. And then one coat of the liquid lash extenders. One coat for each lash. Coral blush for the cheeks. I'm just putting it on the apples of my cheeks. We're almost there. Lip vibes, dance now. I'm gonna tap on the color. I'm gonna blend with my finger. Okay, so this is the daytime makeup look, and I'm gonna show you how to build the holiday look going from here. Add another coat of mascara, why not? Let's go for a little bit of intensity. Using the same lip color for the daytime look. Also, one of my favorite products is the Instant Glow Highlighting Duo. No holiday party is gonna be complete without a little bit of highlighter. And apply it right here. The same coral blush. Just gonna touch up my cheeks, the apples of it over the highlighter. And here's the holiday dinner look. Okay, let's build this holiday dinner look to a night out look. Using the Gel Smooth Liner, I'm gonna go ahead and take this look to the next level. Just gives it a little bit more of a And then we're gonna take the Gel Smooth Liner in Slay Girl Slay. I love the name. I'm gonna go ahead and blend. The more, the merrier. I love this color. We're gonna add it in the inner corner of the eyes. Add a little bit on the center of the eyelids just to give it a little bit of a pop. If this isn't a going out look, I don't know what is. Use a sponge and just tap underneath my eyes. Going out at night requires a third coat of mascara. Yes, I said third coat. Last but not least, the Almay Goddess Gloss in Dreamy is truly dreamy. Just adding it over the lip we had earlier today, just intensifying it a little bit and making my lips more glossy. Glossy like a goddess. All right, so here's a bonus tip. Since you're going out, you wanna make them jelly, meaning make them jelly with the highlighter. I like to add a little bit of this on my shoulders. You're definitely gonna make them jelly. Look at that. And then whatever's left over, add it on your collarbone. Just a little bit here, why not? Go ahead and just tap a little bit onto your cheekbone. There you have it. So I took you from daytime holiday look to a night out holiday look. I hope you enjoyed this.